Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add religious page into your app. The religious page allows you to integrate the Holy Bible, Bhagavad Gita and the Holy Quran into the app and spread the message of God. Now let's get started. Now let's add the page. Click on view all here and search religious. Click on the page to add it. Here is your religious page name. If you want, you can change it. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline, icon, or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Here you can see you can add religious features from 3 holy books, Bible, Quran, and Gita. Click on Bible option to add it. Enter the name of the Bible icon. From here you can change the menu icon. If you want, you can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. In the similar way, you can add religious feature from Quran and Gita. From here, you can delete the feature. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.